Hola, everybody. I found out that there is, in fact, a way to make Google Slides make a stop motion movie. It was pretty easy. What I did was I made my shapes and then I hit Command D to duplicate the slide. And then I moved the objects the way that I had planned to have them move. And that is my stop motion video. It's not very exciting. There are a couple of options for showing how to make this work. You can click present and then click options and auto advance every second, and then you make sure you start at the beginning, and then you can click play and it will make your video auto advancing every slide for 1 second. This is kind of a little lackluster. It's not very exciting. But I can show you how I can make it more exciting. Oops, I move my controls out of the way. So if I turn off auto advance, I don't know how to turn it off. We'll figure it out. But if I click rather quickly, I can make it a lot more exciting. So if your students are making a Google Slides stop motion video, I do recommend that they use screencastify to record just their screen and not have their little person over here in the corner. And then to click through with their mouse or with their laptop pad to make it go in a more appropriate speed. The auto advance does not go any faster than 1 slide per second. That is how you can make stop motion with Google Slides.